In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets online. Now, first step is to open up a web browser and head on over to FIFA.com. Now, once you come here, there might be a pop-up saying register your interest for tickets. If there is, go ahead and click onto that. Now, if you don't get that pop-up, that's okay. So on the top here of the website, we've got some different options, some different tabs. So we need to go ahead and click onto the shop. And now under shop, we've got FIFA store tickets and hospitality or FIFA collect. Click on the tickets and hospitality. Now there is a bit of a process to buy these tickets. So let's go down and have a look. So we've got tickets here. So start your FIFA World Cup 26 journey by exploring our ticket options. So we're going to go ahead and explore more here. Now from here, let's scroll down and have a look at the sales phase. So scroll down again here. So now they do have a Visa pre-sale draw. So this first sale phase is between 10th and 19th September. So people with a valid Visa, debit, credit card or prepaid card enabled with 3D Secure. But now this video is going to be created after this fact. So we can skip through here. And now after registration or after the future sales phases. So there's going to be more sale phases down the track here. So future sale phases. Now, if you're unable to enter the Visa pre-sale draw, which now is open individuals with a valid unexpired Visa debit card, you could still check back at FIFA.com tickets, as additional opportunities to purchase tickets will be available in the future sale phases. So keep an eye on that. So what we're going to do is open up this page here, or just go to FIFA.com/en/tickets. And now scroll down, and then under hospitality, we want to go ahead and browse and buy packages here. Now it says get closer than ever to the FIFA World Cup 26. So from here, we can experience the best of the beautiful game with complete hospitality packages featuring premium tickets, food and beverage and beyond, now available across all three host nations, including single matches. So if we scroll down here, we've got match offerings. So every offering features premium seats and hospitality. So you want to choose the offering, choose hospitality, and then configure and check out. So we've got three different options here. We've got a single match, which is now available. So we've got group stage, any one non-host nation match. So no Canada, Mexico, USA. Round of 32, any one match. Hospitality options, pitch side lounge, VIP trophy lounge, Champions Club or FIFA Pavilion. Now this is starting at, say, $1,300 USD per person. We've got the venue series. So watch every match at the venue of your choice. Includes 4 to 9 matches. Depending on venue, all match days and states eligible. Hospitality options. Also, we got follow my team, so you can see your team in action at every early stage match, regardless of your location. So we got all 3 group stage matches and 1 round of 32 match. All match days and locations eligible, so you can follow your team. So choose which package you want to go for. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go with the single match. Now it's going to say here, browse matches. So we can scroll down and look at all the different matches here and the dates and the stadium and the starting price. So if we scroll down here, we could see all the different matches. And now on the right hand side of this, we got my matches. This is where you're going to have your tickets are going to be shown here once you add them. So we could sort by date. We could hide unavailable if you like, or show you unavailable. So add in tickets. So from here, if I want to go to this first one here on June the 13th, this is going to be $1,700 and 50 US. So from here, we've got the quantity, how many tickets you want to buy. It's going to purchase one, seating section, pitch side lounge standard or standard plus. I want to do standard. Actually, I might do standard plus, so only $300 extra. And now we could choose hospitality lounge and proceed to the checkout. So click on select pitch side lounge. Now on the far right, it will say your ticket. And we got 15 minutes to complete your order. So from here, click on the checkout button on the bottom right hand corner of the page. You will need to sign in or create an account to continue. So it's just going to give you an overview of what you're going to purchase. And they got payment methods being FIFA and Visa. Now this is the official way to pay. So click on buy now button. Now you want to go ahead and sign into your account. But if you don't have an account, click onto the sign up button. And now you'll put in your first name, last name, mobile, email. Now this will be your FIFA ID, your date of birth, country of residence, gender, and preferred communication language, and click continue. All right, so once you've filled out this form here, go ahead and click on continue. And now we need to create a strong password and also check on I've read and agreed to the terms of service, and then click create account. Now we need to go ahead and check our emails. So here is the code here. It's a 6-digit code. Come back here, enter that code and click on verify my account or my code. Now this should redirect you back to the checkout page. All right, so we need to put in our main address. So the address will be set as billing and delivering address in your custom account. So go ahead and put in your address. Now, once you've done that, we need to go ahead and choose our delivery method. So we got the order summary here. So you can check out your order, your delivery method. So I'm going to choose mobile delivery. Now, if you got any vouchers, go ahead and put in your voucher here. Now, billing, please select the billing contact. So we've already put that in. This is just for demonstration purposes. Now, payment. So we've got payment methods. So we've got debit, credit card, or credit, debit card with 2 installments. So you can make 2 installments of that payment if you like. Then click on I've read and then click on confirm payment. Then it will say your request is being processed. Now it should take you over to your Visa card or your Visa details where you want to put in your card number, the month and year, your name and security code CVV. And you can also check save this card for future payments and then go ahead and click on pay now. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen, how to buy tickets for the FIFA World Cup 2026. Enjoy the game.